Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to export iPhone contacts and how to import your iPhone contacts in your Google account. First of all, open Contacts app in your iPhone and now tap on List, and to import all your iPhone contacts just hard press on all contacts and here tap on Export. And I'm going to enable all of these options and tapping on Done and tap on Save to Files. And now select a folder where you want to export the contact file. So here's selecting this folder, and you can also rename the contact file from here and just tap on Save, and all of your iPhone contacts have been successfully exported to your Files app. And now we will upload the exported file in our Google account. So open a browser in your iPhone and search for Contact Google, search for it and open contacts.google.com. And now make sure to sign into your Google account first, in which account you want to import your iPhone contacts. Once you are in Contacts homepage, now tap on Import Contacts and select File, and now from your Files app you have to select your exported contact VCF file. Once the file here selected, tap on Import, and as you can see, all of my contacts are importing in my Google account. It may take some time to completely import all of them. Once done, as you can see, I've successfully imported my iPhone contacts to my Google account. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.